everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm DIYDeborah, and today we're going to be making some keto microwave cheesecake, gluten and dairy-free. Only 5 simple ingredients, perfect for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. So come along with me as we make this fabulous keto cheesecake. If you enjoy this type of content, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, hit that like button, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. So first we're going to start off with what you're going to need. You can use a lemon and some fresh lemon juice, or you can use some lemon extract, some non-dairy cream cheese, some raspberries, some vanilla bean powder or vanilla extract, and your sugar substitute. Today we're going to be using Swerve. You're also going to need a ramekin or a glass dish, a little whisk, and some tablespoons. You can first start by letting your cream cheese soften, or you can soften it in the microwave. You're going to add this to a glass bowl and mix until nice and creamy. Then you're going to be adding a little bit of lemon zest and lemon extract or lemon juice. Then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of your sugar substitute. Today we're going to be using powdered Swerve, or the icing sugar version. You're also going to be needing 1 large egg that has warmed to room temperature. It's also very important, once your cheesecake is fully cooked, that you let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. So I found this vanilla bean powder. It can be used instead of using vanilla extract. Now, for this recipe, it does make the cheesecake very dark and kind of beany, granular. It doesn't taste granular, but obviously you can see the grains of vanilla in the cheesecake. So if you don't like this, you can use your vanilla extract or some clear vanilla extract. So the vanilla bean powder I found on Amazon, and it is ethically sourced and keto friendly, and really great for making a lot of keto-based baked goods. So I combine everything until it's nice and creamy, and then I realize I don't have my ramekin, so I move everything to a different bowl so that I can line this bowl, which is perfect for the microwave and the size of cheesecake that we want to make. So I line it with some olive oil, or you can also line it with coconut oil so that it doesn't stick to the bowl and will come out easily onto a plate. I will then add 1 whole room temperature egg, as well as 1 tablespoon of sour cream. This is a plant-based sour cream. Now, if you want your cheesecake to be more lemony and more tangy, which is the kind of flavor we're going for in this cheesecake, then you can add 1 tablespoon of plant-based sour cream. If not, you can add just an extra teaspoon of cream cheese. So depending on how strong your microwave is, you're then going to microwave on high for approximately anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. And here I'm showing you the plant-based cream cheese and the plant-based sour cream alternative. If you're in Canada, these are made by President's Choice, and you can get them at the Atlantic Superstore. So hopefully you can find something comparable in your area. While your cheesecake is baking in the microwave, I decided to add some chocolate drizzle. We're just going to add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, a little bit of melted coconut oil, and a tablespoon of Swerve. And this is going to make a nice sugar-free chocolate drizzle. We're going to top this onto our cheesecake along with some fresh raspberries. And this will make your fabulous, delicious keto microwave cheesecake in time for American Thanksgiving. So this is what your cheesecake looks like when it comes out of the microwave. If you would like it to be a lighter color, then by all means use a clear vanilla extract. I have included the nutritional label to show you the net carbs, the calories, protein, and all of that good stuff. This recipe without the toppings is 213 kilocalories, or just under 3 net carbs. With the toppings, it is 318 kilocalories. I really hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's a nice alternative for the Thanksgiving holiday season. And there you have it, your keto microwave cheesecake, gluten and dairy free. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon.